Hi children, good morning. In previous class we have learnt common multiples. Yes, common multiples. Finding common multiples of any two numbers. Okay. Now let us learn about factors. Okay. Factors. In third class you have learnt about this. Yes. Now let us revise that. Okay. For example, 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 is there. Here in previous class I said 12 is the multiple of 3 and 12 is the multiple of 4. Okay, 12 is the multiple of 3, multiple of 4. I said yes. Now factor means here 3 and 4. 3 and 4 both are called factors of 12. 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Okay, factors of 12 means a factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. Okay, a factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. If we divide this 12 by 3, 3 fours are 12, we'll get remainder 0. If we divide same 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Means we will get remainder 0. If you get remainder 0, then this number has these two factors. Okay. Let us find few more factors of 12. Okay. 1 12s are 12. 1 12s are 12. Okay. In 2 table we will get 12. Yes. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Here these 1 2 3 4 6 12, these all are the factors of 12. Okay, factors of 12, these are the factors of 12. Okay, means factor, very simple. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. 12 will be divided by these all numbers by leaving remainder 0. Okay, remainder as 0. Now I will explain one more example for you. For example, 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Here 45 is a multiple of 9 and 45 is a multiple of 5. Okay, 45 is a multiple of 9 and 45 is a multiple of 5. Multiple means this. Okay, multiple of 9, multiple of 5. Okay, 45 is a multiple of 9 and multiple of 5. Okay, here these 9 and 5, these 9 and 5 both are factors of 45. Factors of 45 means when we divide 45 by 9 or 45 by 5, then we will get remainder 0. Then we will get remainder as 0. Okay. Okay, we call it as factors. Okay, look here children, I hope you understood these factors. Very simple. 7 3s are 21 is there, so 7 and 3 both are the factors of 21. Okay, look here children, textbook page number 146. 1 into 24 is equal to 24, 2 into 12 is equal to 24 and 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. In 5 table will not get 24. So these 1 24 2 12 3 8 4 and 6, these all are the factors of 24. Okay, this 24 is the multiple of these all numbers. Okay, if we divide 24 by these numbers, then we will get 0 as remainder. No remainder means 0. Okay, you will get remainder as 0. We say that 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. 1 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 as the factors of 24. Okay, factors of 24. Here, see the definition. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. Means when you divide 24 by these numbers, then you will get remainder as 0. Okay, write these in your fair notes. Okay, now look at textbook page number 147. When we multiply two or more numbers, we get a product. When we multiply two or more numbers, two or more numbers, will get product. Okay, the product is a multiple of the numbers multiplied. Okay, after, for example, 2 into 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. Okay, 1 into 2 into 3 is there, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6 is there. Okay, 6 answer. Here when we multiply two or more numbers, we get product. We get this as product. The product is, we call this product as multiple of 1 2 3. Okay, multiple of 1 2 3. Here this each number is there, each number is the factor of 6. Okay, 1 is a factor of 6 and 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is also factor of 6. Okay, each number is a factor of the product. Very simple. Here these numbers are factors of this number and this number is the multiple of these numbers. Okay, here some questions are given. Look here, is 5 a factor of 25? See, 5 in 5 table we will get 25. Yes, 5 5 is a 25. So yes, 5 5 is a 25. Okay, look, 34. Is 4 a factor of 34? 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. We will not get 34. So it is not the factor of 34. Okay, 4 is not the factor of 34. And 2 is a factor of 25. Yes, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. 25 will not get, so no. Otherwise you can see by dividing. Okay, 2 1s are 2, we will get 5 here, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is 1. We got remainder as 1, so this is the not factor of 25. 2 is not the factor of 25. Now look here, 34. Check. 34 is 3 is the factor of 34 he asked. So we have to divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 4 will be taken here. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. We got remainder as 1. So this 34, 3 is not the factor of 34. Okay, like this we have to find by doing division. If you get any remainder, then it is not the factor of this number. If you get 0, then that is the factor of that number. Okay, now let us learn about properties of factors. Properties of factors. There are 6 properties of factors. Okay, how many are there? 6. Okay, I will say one by one. Look here, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, you can divide all numbers by 1 without leaving remainder. So 1 is a factor of every number. We can divide any number by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. For example, look here, example, 25 divided by 1 equal to 25 will get. 35 divided by 1 equal to 35. Means we can divide any number by 1, then we will get remainder 0. Okay, if you divide this, you will get remainder 0. 25, 125 is a 25. Remainder 0, you will get 35. 135 is a 35. So you will get remainder 0. Okay, look, so 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, next, every number can be divided by itself without leaving a remainder. Every number is a factor of itself. Okay, look here children, for example, 12 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Means every number is factor of itself. We will get remainder 0. Okay. If we are dividing a number by the same number, then we will get the remainder 0. If we are dividing a number with the same number, then we will get remainder 0. If you get remainder 0, then so we call every number is a factor of itself. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are factors of 24. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12 are smaller than 24. 24 is equal to 24. A factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Means we will get the factors either smaller than the number. These are the factors of 24. These all are smaller than the 24 we will get or equal to 24 we will get. Okay. This is one property. A factor of a number either smaller than or equal to the number. Okay. Now the smallest factor of a number is 1. For every number, the smallest factor is 1 and the biggest factor is the number itself. For example, the factors of, we have to find the factors of 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. These are the factors of 12. Okay. 1 12 2 6 3 4 are the factors of 12. Here 1 is the smallest factor and in this all 12 is the biggest factor. Okay. 1 is all, for any number 1 will be the smallest factor and the number itself will be the biggest factor. Okay. Look here. Next, sixth property. 24 has 8 factors. 14 has 4 factors. A number has a limited number of factors. Okay. For every number it has a limited number of factors. Okay. I will read once again. Properties of factors. You can divide all numbers by 1 without leaving a remainder. Okay. We can divide all numbers by 1 without leaving a remainder. So 1 is a factor for every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Every number can be divided by itself without leaving remainder. So every number is a factor of itself. For example, we will take here, for first property we will take 5 divided by 1 equal to 5. Means 1 5s are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we got remainder 0. So 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Look, like that only. 5 divided by 5 is there here. For the second property, 5 ones are 5. 0. So we got remainder 0. So every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Now look here. A factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. We will get either smaller numbers or equal to the number we will get. Okay. Here we find 12 factors. Okay. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These all are the factors of 12. In these 12, we will get the factors less than 12 and are equal to 12. Means less than we got and equal. Okay. Look, a factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Smaller numbers we will get and same number we will get. Okay. Here in this, the smallest factor of a number is 1. Always smallest factor will be 1 and the biggest factor will be number itself. A number has limited number of factors. Every number has limited number of factors. Okay. These are properties of factors. These are properties of factors. Okay. Now look at page number 148, exercise 4. Okay. 8 9s are 72. Therefore, these 8 and 9 are factors of 72. And 72 is a, what is this? Yes, multiple of 8 and 9. Okay. Next, which number has only one factor? Which number has only one factor? Yes, only one has one factor. One ones are one. Okay. Look, third question. Which is the smallest factor of 425 and the greatest factor of 425? Yes, we have seen in properties. Okay. The one will be the smallest factor of every number. So smallest factor of any number will be the one only, and the greatest factor will be the same number, 425. 425. Is true a factor of an odd number? No. Okay, no. Means in two table we'll get only even numbers. In two table we'll get only even numbers. So 2 is not the factor of odd number. Okay, complete your notes up to here. Okay, first write heading factors and write these definition, and then write the properties of factors right from here to here. Okay, everything, and then write exercise 4. Okay, complete up to here and send me the pictures. Okay, thank you.